is your favorite style?
Mina ngumuntu othanda ukuzenzela, bro.
Eh?
Yeah. I like being in control.
Okay.
Yeah.
You mean like on top?
Oh, yes. I like being in control.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
when last did you see your partner?
2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yeah. Okay.
So, from namhlanje uyayazi ingoma ziyaphuza.
Yeah. Ngizwe ngawo.
Ukhe wayenza?
Yeah, I have.
Uyayithanda?
Not really.
Ngithule abantu bazothi mina nginothi. I'm not naughty. I'm just No, I'm not. It's just a show. It's just a show. When I leave the show, I'm no longer like this.
Okay.
Yeah, when I leave the camera, I'm someone else. For now, I need my people to be happy and hey, how's it?
Sharp, winner.
Sharp. You're speaking to Lee from CMTV. I'm here with your partner, and your partner's gonna win 1,000 rand. We're doing a show. So we're gonna ask you a few questions, and your partner's gonna win this 1,000 rand if you're loyal. So we wanna ask you those questions about your relationship.
Okay. I'm thinking of it.
Your partner is light skin or dark skin?
Dark skin.
Dark skin. Okay. How long have you guys been dating?
3 years.
3 years. Okay.
Sure.
When last did you see your partner?
Hello?
When last did you see your partner?
This is all.
Okay. And what is your partner's name?
Tepis.
Repeat again.
My partner's name is Tepis.
I'm on it.
Koketso.
Hello.
Tshepiso ke mang?
Shit. Tepis is Mutwak.
Ke motho wa hao?
Hey.
Ha, wena o na le ngwana le mang kgante?
Shit. Tepis is Mutwak. I'm saying I'm Tepis.
Andoda kanti khambani ngawe? Like yini? Like I understand Joe ukuthi kwenzakalani yini?
That means you are a side chick.
Shit. Mina nawe ngicine vele kuyinto ukuthi yatshontshana nje kuphela kukho kuningi kanti kwenzakalani?
Ukutshontshana okwenza abantwana.
So
Like duthi sinomntwana